They say men are from Mars and women are from Venus. Now that's a tough one to answer. Welcome to Unplugged and Honest. My name is Vikram and today we're going to talk about a magic potion. So my friends, Venus or Mars का तो पता नहीं, लेकिन there is a hormone. The name of the hormone is testosterone, जो दोनों males and females में होता है. Males के अंदर significantly testosterone की जो quantity है that is significantly higher. In our lady friends it's a lot lesser, but it's definitely there. So testosterone is the governing hormone for the males. Females have estrogen as the governing hormone. और ये बात, in fact you'll be surprised when a child is in the mother's womb, उस time पे ही पता लग जाता है the male baby has significantly higher amounts of testosterone, and the testosterone starts to really peak around 10 years for the male child, all the way till the person is about 30 years of age. 40 साल के बाद it starts to really drop. Now when testosterone is created in a laboratory, they're called anabolic steroids. Anabolic steroids have really been popular in sports. बहुत ज़्यादातर sports के अंदर ये banned है. So what really happens if testosterone levels are subprime? Lack of energy. You don't have the energy to do your day-to-day activities. There's significant weight loss and weight gain, both of them. There is a great amount of feeling of depression. Person tends to get very moody. There is a real drop in self-esteem. There's definitely loss of body hair, and the bone density really decreases. The development of bones is significantly lesser, and of course there is a tremendous loss in muscle mass. So if you're trying to body build and if you have that subprime testosterone levels, then getting that bulk, getting that muscle mass is going to be extremely difficult. Very natural ways of elevating your natural testosterone levels, and Varun is going to talk about some of the nutritional things that you can do to increase the testosterone levels. But there are some core exercises like squats, deadlifts, and essentially lifting heavy weights.
Hi, welcome to Unplugged and Honest. मेरा नाम है वरुण, और जैसा भी विक्रम ने बताया कैसे टेस्टोस्टेरोन बॉडी बिल्डिंग के अंदर सिग्निफिकेंट है, कैसे हम उसको नेचुरली इंक्रीज़ कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ एक्सरसाइजेज, और उसी को कंटिन्यू करते हुए मैं कवर करूंगा हम कैसे नेचुरल डाइट से जो मार्केट में इजीली अवेलेबल हैं उससे टेस्टोस्टेरोन का प्रोडक्शन लेवल अच्छा इंक्रीज़ कर सकते हैं, और कुछ ऐसे फैक्टर्स जिससे कि नेचुरली टेस्टोस्टेरोन डिक्रीज़ होता है. तो टू स्टार्ट विद कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स वी ऑल नो कि पोटैटोज़ में सिग्निफिकेंट अमाउंट में पाया जाता है. तो आई वुड से be it sweet potato, white potato, pink potato, red potato, purple potato, if it's a potato you must have it because potatoes are part of a testosterone boosting diet. Next is coffee. Coffee is great. It stimulates the nervous system of your body and charges you up. Coffee is full of antioxidants, so again there is no need to start avoiding coffee. Just don't drink it like a madman every hour of the day. Extra virgin olive oil can be labeled as testosterone booster. Raisins are a great food that boosts T level. Raisins are full of inflammatory and full of antioxidants, which is linked to increasing T level and lowering down estrogen levels in the body. Chocolate products are nutritionally dense T boosting products. However, with chocolate I'm not referring to the chocolate which people identifies. Chocolate is something which is not heated, not refined, which kills the antioxidants and its minerals. Eggs are considered the perfect source of protein, and not only this, but also it carries a right amount of amino acids which a human needs. And with that, we all know that egg carries a yolk, which contains a heavy dose of cholesterol, which produces large amount of testosterone. Pomegranates. So there have been an interesting study regarding pomegranates that a person who consumes pomegranates juice for 2 weeks have seen a significant improvement in testosterone, going up at least by 30%. Dark berries like blueberries, blackberries, so they have been identified as healthy and full of antioxidants, and these can also help in increasing T levels and lowering down your estrogen level. Onions and garlic, which are easily available in market. So studies also indicate that consuming onions and garlics can increase your T levels. Now coming to some foods that can kill your testosterone level, that is alcohol. एक बहुत ही फेमस कॉमन सेइंग है कि एक्सेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग इज़ बैड. एज पर स्टडीज़ इफ़ यू आर कंज्यूमिंग एल्कोहल इन अ लिमिट तो फिर इट कैन डू वंडर्स एज वेल टू योर बॉडी, बट अगेन अगर आप इसको ओवर एक्सेस ले रहे हैं तो फिर डेफिनेटली इट इज़ गोइंग टू डिक्रीज डाउन योर टी लेवल. Next is dairy products. So the advice is not to consume too much of dairy products. And the other one is soya और tofu या soya isolate प्रोटीन कई लोग कंज्यूम करते हैं, तो इसमें एस्ट्रोजन जो होता है उसकी परसेंटेज बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. सो अवॉइड टेकिंग सोया और tofu. And you can avoid mint, desserts, pastries, some factors which can drop testosterone naturally, and that is aging, obesity, diabetes, chronic drug या tobacco. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Till then, stay unplugged, stay honest. Take care. Bye.